Today, we show you how to make eggs and dairy-free meatballs in a bread bowl. Let's get started. First, mix a tablespoon of flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. This will give us something known as a flax egg and make our meatballs egg-free. Next, we prepare our bread balls. Slice the loaves and remove the crumbs, carving the bread into a bowl that will hold our meatballs. Keep the crumbs for later. Let's proceed by brushing some extra virgin olive oil on the bread. And let's make it crispy by placing it in the oven for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. In a clean bowl, mix a handful of crumbs with a tablespoon of water and add in the meat. For a dairy-free variation, use 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast instead of parmesan. Continue by adding 1 teaspoon of thyme, oregano, parsley, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. We'll then incorporate the flax eggs we prepared earlier and finish off the mix with some fresh basil. Let's have some fun working all these ingredients into beautiful meatballs. You can roll the mince into smaller or bigger balls, depending on the size of your bread balls. To cook these bad boys, let's start by making a spicy tomato sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and add in a garlic clove. When the garlic starts to sizzle, pour in 240 grams of tomato sauce and stir well. Then add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, and a pinch of salt. Add in the meatballs and cook everything for around 10 minutes while simmering. Let's assemble our bowls and we are done. Start by adding a spoon of sauce in each bowl. Then add the meatballs and top everything with more sauce and some fresh basil. Well done, you've made it! Now go and enjoy it! Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end! If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by subscribing, liking and sharing the video.
You can follow the link in the description to see the recipe step by step, to read about its nutritional properties and more. You will also be able to adjust the servings and measurement unit to your needs, making it super easy to cook this at home.
Thank you and have a great day!